unveiling the amazing benefits of coconut. Did you know that coconuts are considered a life-sustaining gift in many cultures? From hydration to nutrition, coconuts offer an incredible range of benefits that may surprise you. In this video, we'll explore why coconuts are more than just a tropical delight. They're a true superfood. Packed with electrolytes, coconut water is like nature's sports drink. It replenishes hydration, balances electrolytes, and even helps reduce fatigue. Forget sugary drinks. Opt for coconut water for a refreshing, low-calorie energy boost. Additionally, it's rich in potassium, which supports heart health and restores your body after intense physical activity. The soft, white flesh of the coconut isn't just tasty, it's a nutrition powerhouse. Coconut meat is loaded with fiber, which aids digestion and supports gut health. It's also a great source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, healthy fats that can provide energy, improve brain health, and even support weight loss. Coconut oil is incredibly versatile. In your kitchen, it's a healthier alternative to conventional cooking oils due to its stable saturated fats. On your skin and hair, it works as an all-natural moisturizer, protecting and nourishing from within. Studies suggest that coconut oil may also promote fat burning, improve cholesterol levels, and benefit cognitive health. Did you know coconuts can do wonders for your heart? Its healthy fats have been shown to improve good cholesterol, HDL, while reducing bad cholesterol, LDL. Further, incorporating coconut products like coconut milk and oil in your diet may help maintain healthy blood pressure and support cardiovascular wellness. Coconuts aren't just nutritious, they're adaptable. Enjoy coconut milk in smoothies, curries, and desserts, or sprinkle shredded coconut on baked goods. Use coconut oil for sautéing, or even as a key ingredient in health drinks. Beyond the kitchen, its versatility extends to natural beauty hacks and DIY home uses, like oil pulling for oral hygiene. Coconuts aren't just healthy for you, they're good for the planet too. Coconut trees grow in abundance and require minimal resources. Coconut shells can be repurposed as eco-friendly bowls or charcoal, making the entire plant renewable and sustainable. Choosing coconuts supports both personal and environmental health. If you're looking for skincare that's toxin-free and effective, look no further. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties and can soothe dry or irritated skin. It also works as a natural hair conditioner, reducing frizz and enhancing shine. For those seeking holistic wellness, try oil pulling with coconut oil for improved gum health and fresher breath. From its water to its oil, coconuts offer an incredible blend of taste, health, and versatility. Want to boost hydration, improve heart health, or enhance your beauty routine? Add coconut products to your life today. Make coconuts a cornerstone of your wellness journey. And don't forget to share this video to inspire others.